I look good. I look good. Background noise is my grandma thinks she is Betty Crocker in the kitchen whipping up cookies. Lady, I'm on a diet. So the next style we're gonna do. Oh, you wanna play games? I see. No, what am I trying to say? What am I trying to say? Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to my YouTube channel for those of you who are new. I'm Caitlin and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys 4 different hairstyles, updos to be exact, that I have been rocking with my faux locks. I've really been enjoying them. I had them in for about 2 weeks now, so I think I'm going to keep them in for like another week or so and then I'm going to take them out just to try some other hairstyles. So yeah, I know, short-lived. With faux locks, I do think they get better over time. And I'll definitely like put these back in another time. I'm probably gonna go longer because I do want to do like the swoop and like a ponytail or something like that. But we shall see. But yeah, that's not what this video is about. It's about these 4 hairstyles. Hopefully you guys enjoy and let me know which hairstyle is your personal favorite in the comment section below. And yeah, without no further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. So my mic did not want to act right, so I will be doing a voiceover for the first hairstyle. And I'm talking about my edges. If you guys know any good edge controls that you don't have to combine any products with, please comment them in the comment section below. You are a lifesaver. So for the first hairstyle, I will be taking the top part of my hair and just parting it off where I want it to be up. And then I do like to use scrunchies for my half up, half down. For this one today, to kind of match, you know, the aesthetic of my shirt and whatnot, I decided to use a white scrunchie. So I will be wrapping around my hair twice, and then I'm just going to be fluffing it out. Alright, hairstyle number 2, I'm going to be doing something similar to like the half up, half down, but it's going to be the 2 buns. So like we have 2 buns up at the top and I'm going to have pieces hanging off in the front. So and for these, I'm going to be using like these super big hair ties that I had got from Walmart, and I'm going to be wrapping around it twice just to save me some time. So So the next style we're going to do is going to be the 2-bun style. It's kind of similar to the half up, half down, except for the whole head is going to be up, and I'm going to have like 2 pieces in the front. And with this one, you don't want to pull too tight to where it's causing tension on your edges or anything like that. So just be super careful about that. You don't want it to make it too tight or anything. This one, since we do have shorter style, you do have to play around with it just to, you know, work it to your liking. Some pieces I like to leave hanging out, just kind of like tucking them in a sense, if that makes sense, just to kind of give it that bun effect. Alright, so the next hairstyle I'm going to be doing is a bun. Now, I thought I could not do a bun with these short locks, but y'all, I finessed it and I'm going to try to finesse it again. So, let's pray that, you know, I can recreate it. Alright? Okay. So that basically concludes the end of my video for today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn the post notification bell so you can be notified when I upload a video. Come on now. So let me know which hairstyle is your favorite. Mine is the 2 little puffs. But yeah, let me know in the comment section below which one you guys enjoy. I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Peace.